Oh boys, I haven't even launched. What's this? Some sort of the bunny rabbit. But yeah, winter's here, boys. That's it. That's friggin' it. So we'll have to hook on old Rusty there. I don't want to drive Shifty no more. And the door doesn't even shut. It doesn't have enough last dips in it. It's like a broken last dips, if you know what I'm saying. But check this out. I made some paths and stuff. I don't know if I showed you that before when saying different things to some different people, and not sure, you know, who I said what to. But anyways, cut the door in half. I just zipped it in half. I mean, it was basically just a piece of plywood. I opened up the metals, and then I just zipped up it with my little battery Watt-Me, and then just had to cut the top and bottom little bitch with the snaz and all there. And yeah, I got it in twain. That way it's just, you know, easier to maneuver. Wouldn't be able to, I mean, you'd probably get it out if you tipped it in on a 45 and brought it through, but it's, you know, too heavy, right? There's the lumbar support beams in there, terrible. But yeah, so pretty well got her ready. I got my angle grinder all set up there. Just got to nip the friggin' ends off and get these sort of setting on the ground, and then it'll be awesome. Hopefully this one's only got one antler holding it. There's that one. Oh yeah, we should be able to lift that, no problem. Oh shit, this door only had two nubbins onto it. It was a 2-nubbin door, boys. Oh, I figured there was more nubbins onto it. The other door had like 6. Decent. Gotta watch the old skull on the garage door situation on now. You do? Let's see if it doesn't just squidge me. Okay. It's gonna squidge me. Oh, it's squidging me. Oh, it's squidging me big time. Oh, dick. It's freaking squidged me, boys. Oh, I'm getting squidged. Oh, holy shit. I almost got squidged. Holy. Holy. That was dicked. That was dicked. Oh, got squidged there. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, here we go again. Oh, great. Oh, dick. Yep. There goes my extension cord. Getting squidged. Not even a Bacardi. Look at that. Oh yeah, dug right into it. Holy shit, boys. Hey, ta-da! Now comes the part where Tipper gets mad at me. Oh dear. What am I gonna do? So hopefully we hear from Buddy soon, and then we can go and pick up a bit of the squizoot. much friggin' shift work too. But we should bring these door halves over to tumuchis, like right now. That end might be less sharp.
Okay, hold on.
Careful, slippery. Watch your fingies.
Oh. We gotta go faster with this one. We're doing it at all.
We did it, Tippy. Thank you, Tippy. Holy shnikes. What was going on back here? Hey!
Hey, my friend!
I have it for you. Okay, shoot, come on.
Oh my god, oh, I know.
Look at the stadia.
You today cold! Go get, ayo.
Yeah.
Too much cold!
Too much coal. I for you. I for you, too much coal.
Oh my god, too much
And don't forget your hat. Your gangbanker hat.
cold. Oh,
What happened?
okay, too much cold. You
okay.
okay?
Yeah, working big time.
Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah. Natty natty.
Oh, there! Here! Here!
Where?
Go there, no problem.
Holy, good thing I didn't smash into all this stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Where you want it?
Here!
Here?
Okay. Okay, very cold.
Okay, help me. Hey, hey. Help me. Help me. Yeah. Yeah, help me. You. Me and Tiffany put them on there, so.
That's one not good. You know.
Oh. No. Oh, no time, buddy. Sakes. I'll just shove them off my self then. You, come on, let's go. Go around. I gotta go. Here, don't worry, I'll do it by myself. Thank you. Thanks for the help, buddy. You're a good guy. Thank you. Thanks for the help. Thanks for the help, buddy. Don't, no, 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 no. No, no, I got it. I got it, it's cool. It's cool, buddy. You go inside where it's warm. You smoke cigarettes. Ah! I'll just struggle like an asshole by myself. It's cool. No, no, it's cool, buddy. Oh, looks like I took out his pile of rocks. What?
You finish?
Yeah, I don't have no time. What's this?
Let it go, that's it.
Oh, used gloves. Here, me okay. Me okay.
For you, for you. For you.
Look at them, they're all stained up. Here,
Yeah,
no,
for
me
you.
okay, me okay.
No, new one.
I don't wear this one.
New one. New one.
At,
No, 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 no. He that's no, no, no. He that's just that's.
oh, it's just jizz,
One. Yeah.
jizz and desiccant.
No one, new one. Hey. You see that? New one.
Okay, thank you. Oh, goodness. Okay, one more. Yeah, I got the other one too.
Okay.
I bring over maybe next week.
Okay. Last week?
Yeah, for
Not today.
no today. Busy, I gotta go.
You could
I gotta go work.
go walk.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, no. Right here? You okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. I'll come over next week
Last week, okay.
with another one.
Another one, okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Oh, today, hey, you okay? Ready.
Yeah, big time.
You better time.
Yeah.
Aya. Hey. My here, might need you, that one.
This one? Suck it?
No, I need the old one for me. I see that.
Oh, okay.
I go you. Old one.
Suck it. Do this. Here.
Yeah, he that one.
Get
put
too
the,
much
put
of the
the,
dirt.
put the inside.
Yeah.
No, that one, another one, open, put the inside.
Yeah.
Another one, now
No.
open.
No, throw away. Throw away.
Garbage.
Garbagey? Done. Garbagey.
No, that's
Yeah.
oil. That's but all the oil inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I will.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You very good. You what today?
Oh, thank you.
Walking.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, big time. Okay, thank you. Yeah, big time. Too much, he said, I'm working today, cold. Yeah, my ear's a little cold. Oh, and I got this cyborg thing in there so I can talk to the phone and listen to music. Oh, yeah. That's great. That's great. I love that so much. Back door handles are just, you pull them and they stay open, so you shut the door and no shut. Oh, I apologize. Oh dear.
What do you guess? You got a Cummins in there.
Got a Cummins in everything I have. How are you doing?
Andrew's just taking away the bike.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
No worries.
You want to come sit?
Yeah.
What do you do with the motors?
Oh, I got a Grumman, like an old, bread truck sort of thing that I'm gonna put it in. Do you have the injector lines for this?
Yes, I do. I was literally just looking for that.
Right on.
I do, but I pulled them because they often get damaged when you.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
Yeah, I do. Let me go look upstairs.
Right on. Found treasure?
Yep.
Right on.
Down pipe.
Oh yeah. That's handy.
They're the injector lines.
Right on. What about these Turbskis over there? Where are they off of?
Oh shit, you saw those, huh? One of them's yours. You know, this one's expensive, dude. I know you're looking at it. It's very rare.
What is it?
This has the, this is the HX40, but it has a 12 spline, it has a 12 fin on the inside.
Okay. Heavy. Yeah, maybe, like you say, scoot her in from the side or something. See what happens. Oh shit. Okay, we should start going up. It's a little better.
Now we just need to shoot her down.
Oh, there we go. We got some movement.
Stuck on this ridge here.
Okay, right there. Oh, holy shit. That scared me where I pee. Terrible.
Down.
Oh yeah. No, just camera. Gonna document the engine purchase.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Love to see your stuff when you're done, man.
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel if you wanna.
Sounds like a lot of fun, man.
Yeah, it's frustrating as most of the time, but you know, when it's done, you're like, oh yeah, I got to drive this piece of shit, right? But, oh, your vice grips. Right on, man. Much obliged. Have a good night.